I am Aravindhan from BCA 3rd Sem. Today's my topic data types in Python. Data types are four types: one number, second non, and sequence, then set. Under number is three: one integer, another float, then complex. Non is a single. Sequence is under 3k. One string, second one tuple, third one list. Set under one dictionary. Number data types store numeric values. They are immutable. Data types means that changing the value of a number data type results in a newly allocated object. There are three numeric types to present numbers: integer, float, complex. Integer. First one, integer. An integer is a whole number with no decimal places. For example, 1 is an integer, but 1.0 is not. It's not. Okay. The name for the integer data types is int. Example: type 1 close open bracket class int close bracket. Floating point. A floating point number or float for short is a number with a decimal place. 1.0 is a floating point number, as is minus 2.7.75. Example: type 1.0 class float. Third one, complex. Complex pair of the form a plus bj, where another floats and j or capital J or j represent the square root of -1, which is an imaginary number. The real part of the number is a and the imaginary part is b. Okay. Complex numbers are not used much in Python programming. Example: type 1 plus 2j class float. Non. The non keyword is used to define a null value or no value at all. Non is not the same as 0, false, or an empty string. Non is a data type of its own non-type, and only non can be none. None can be none. Example: if you do a boolean if test, what will happen is none, true or false. X equal none. If x print, do you think none is true? If x is false, print, do you think none is false? Else, print, none is not true or false, none is just none. Output, none is not true or false, none is just none. Sequence of you store the multiple values in organized allowed fashion. Sequence: first one string, second one tuple, third one list. String. String are arrays of bytes representing Unicode characters. A string is a collection of one or more characters put in a single quote, double quote, or triple quote. In Python, there is no character data type. A character is a string of length 1. It is represented by str class. To access characters of string method: string 1 equal python print initial string print string 1. Output in a string Python. Print /n first character of string is printing string 1 into bracket of 0. Output first character of string is p. Tuple. A tuple is also a heterogeneous collection of Python objects separated by commas. It means objects of different data types can constraints of tuple. Example first underscore tuple 2346. Method of tuple. Python has two built-in methods that you can use on tuples. Count returns the number of times a specified value occurs in a tuple. Index searches the tuple for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found. List. It is a heterogeneous collection of items data types. For example, a list object can store in a folder or the employee data in company act. Example list 1 2 3 4 output list Anu mini 3344 heterogeneous collection of items. Method of list. Insert. Add an element at the specified position. Remove. Removes the first item with the specified value. Count. Returns the number of elements with the specified value. Clear. Removes all the elements from the list. Set. A set is an unordered collection of unique and immutable objects. It is definition sort with enclosed braces having its items Method of set. Union return a set that contains all items from both sets. Duplicates are excluded. Intersection. The intersection method returns a set that contains the similarity between two or more sets. Difference. Returns the difference to sets which is also a set. Is subset. The subset method returns true if all items in the items is in the set exists in the specified set, otherwise it returns false. Dictionary. A dictionary in Python is an unordered collection of key value pairs. Example dictionary 1 roll number 101 name Kajal Kasar Sony class 12 accessing values print dictionary 1 roll number output dictionary roll number 101 print dictionary 1 name output dictionary name Kajal. Method of dictionary. Get returns the value of the specified key. Updates the dictionary with the specified key value pairs. Pop removes the element with the specified key. Copy returns a copy of the dictionary. Thank you.